Hello everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to the channel. I am a vintage reseller, and in the description below I'll put the links to my Etsy and my eBay stores. So if you want to check those out, if you're so inclined, you can do that. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite topics, which is shabby chic. Now, recently I bought this gorgeous, I'll hold it up, King Simply Shabby Chic Patchwork quilt. It also has a chenille edging, and I bought it on Marketplace for $30. When I picked it up and got it in my truck though, I almost instantly smelled this super strong smell of cigarette smoke, and I kind of panicked. I washed it immediately, and I really wasn't sure if the smell was going to come out, but luckily it came out completely. It smells really good. I ended up having to spot clean out a couple of stains at home, but in the end, it came out as a beautiful, perfect, simply shabby quilt. From there, I photographed it and I staged it and styled it in a shabby chic style. I made a quick POV video, and then I listed it on eBay and Etsy for $260, and within 24 hours I had two offers on eBay. I made a counter offer and the sale was completed within a couple of hours. The final sale price was $222. Now, I want to talk a little bit about the shipping process, because I think this is where a lot of people go wrong. They would make the sale, they'd be so excited that you made a great sale, but your job really isn't done. To me, this is the most important part. So what you want to do really is package this as beautifully, clean, in a nice box, and make sure that when you have shipped this, that you really have paid attention to the detail of things. Now, the person on the other end, you have to imagine them when they're opening up this box. You really want it to be an experience. It's kind of disappointing when you buy something on Etsy and eBay and it looks so great, and then you get it and it's stuffed in a little envelope, and it just sort of diminishes it somehow. So I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to prepare this shabby chic quilt so that the lady that receives it thinks it is just wonderful, and the whole complete experience is then so wonderful. On my end, I enjoyed buying it, cleaning it, and selling it, and on her end, she enjoys receiving it and opening it and using it. All right, well, off camera, I wrapped this up. I printed the label and then taped it up, and it is all nice and neat and tidy and ready to go. And you can hear some of the tape. It's taped up pretty good. And she's all ready to go. And so our blanket is here. It actually weighed quite a bit. It weighs 6 pounds. You know, when you get a king quilt, it actually weighs quite a bit. And I use, the shipping that I use is Pirate Ship. And great discount. So I think this ended up costing me only $15 to ship. So we're going to have to take that off the bottom line of what I make on this piece. But on balance, I really love doing this. I like Shabby Chic, which is not dead, and I like bedding and fabric and stuff. So while I do sell a lot of other things, I really have a good time when I sell this stuff. So thanks a lot for watching. You kind of know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment would be really nice. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you next time.